Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Saturday, May 25th, brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. U.S. electric air taxis company Joby Aviation this week signed an MOU with 𝘕𝘰𝘵𝘦, a wholly owned subsidiary of Saudi Aramco, to introduce Joby's aircraft to Saudi Arabia. 𝘕𝘰𝘵 is the operator of the world's largest fleet of corporate aircraft. The two parties will work together to engage key aviation stakeholders and regulators towards Joby's entry into the kingdom. Meanwhile, 𝘱𝘰𝘮𝘮𝑚obility and Saudia Technic have signed an agreement to explore the potential demand of maintenance, repair and overhaul, or MRO, activities for eVTOL aircraft in the Middle East. In addition, feasibility will be studied for the assembly of eVTOLs in Saudi Arabia. And UAE startup Nomad Prototypes, founded by aerospace engineer 𝘕𝘰𝘮𝘮𝘮, has unveiled a 3D printed drone. Manufactured with one of the strongest resins in the world, the drone can fly for 37 minutes without payload and 22 minutes with a 500-gram payload. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.